What's happening in my shop? Like those. Okay. Hello? Isaac. Isaac. See, just listen to me first. Just listen to me. See, I don't want to see you again in my shop again. Don't ever come close to my shop. If I see you anywhere, don't worry, you'll see what I will do to you.
So your mood is like this, what's the problem? Why are you, all bothered up?
See babe, I'm not happy. I don't want to express what boss experienced with Santos. Santos was claiming that he's the owner of the shop. See, as I am now, I need capable people and normal people in my office.
See, I understand. I understand the feeling and everything. And I promise you, your salon is not going to be like that. If it's real of that Isaac matter, just that one is small now. You can handle it. You can take care of it. Don't allow it bother you. Don't just allow it bother you. So, what are you going to do about Isaac?
Anyway, Sha, I've called him on phone. I don't want to see him along my office again.
Well, that's okay. That's good, but just take it easy. Yeah, that is why I'm here for you. I'm here to help you run this business.
Serious?
Hey! We're going to make it the ultimate. Don't worry. Yeah? Calm down. Okay. The suspension you gave him is enough. I'm sure by now he will start thinking.
Are you okay?
I'm here for you. Please come, let's go, Joe.
Oga, I'm done.
So how much is my bill?
2,500.
Now wow! This service is cost though.
Oga, no.
And I won't make a fine for this country again now.